Here's your throttle. But when you put the choke on, it kicks the throttle up. And throw the carburetor on the ground. Hey everyone, today I'm going to do a review on this hip carburetor from Amazon. See what we got in here. Got a primer bulb. We have a spark plug, it looks like. Yes, a Savior BPMR7V. We have, of course, the carburetor. Comes with a primer bulb also, so you get a spare primer, which is good because I'm sure that will be rotted out in a year or two at most. We have a fuel filter, a carburetor gasket, and it looks like 2 fuel lines. The only thing I will be using out of this is the carburetor and gasket. So this, what we have is it'll start and idle, but you try to rev it up, it just bogs and dies. Give it a couple times. And that's what it'll do. Now we don't really need a carburetor for this, it just needs a diaphragm. But I can't find the correct kit for it, just off the model number. I needed it as quick as possible, so I just popped on Amazon and found a carburetor. Oh, them are tight. Them broke loose. And I can use this. Let's get these fuel lines. Let's verify this carburetor real quick. Sure everything looks copacetic. That don't look like it's quite the right angle, but it might be. No, that's not quite the right angle on that choke lever. Fuel lines, throttle, does it have a high idle? This has a high idle. This doesn't have that, does it? No, it does not. Well, see, this has a little feature here. Here's your throttle. But when you put the choke on, it kicks the throttle up. And throw the carburetor on the ground. So you kick your choke on, and it locks the throttle. So your choke's open, but your throttle is locked up. And when you hit your throttle, it releases it. Pretty cool. First time I've seen a feature like that on a small engine carburetor. Your car engines carbureted car engines have that feature. And I've never seen that on a small engine before. Well, I want to get these fuel lines unhooked before I get completely undone. Gotta make some beam loads. Give it a little twist. Woo! Release the pressure. Oh, come on, open up. Okay. Get me a rag. That one undone. Outside goes the top. Okay, now let's finish this up. Get these long ass screws out of there. And for the throttle, just give it a little twist. Old gasket, all on top. Make sure this new gasket looks correct. I don't know about that. Let's see if the holes line up. The holes line up, that's all that matters to me. So let's grab the new one. And choke. This one's at a little higher angle than that one. I don't know if that's going to interfere with the cover or not. Throttle looks good. Like I said, it has a high idle, where this one doesn't. Looks like it should fit. Let's get it on here. Get the gasket on correctly. Goes the hole don't quite line up like I would like it to. Hole don't quite line up like I would like it to. So I might enlarge that a little bit. Oh yeah, that's cutting. Put it on the right way. And now you can see the hole all the way. Alright, let's Let's get this throttle hooked up. Screws put in here. Pinching the fuel lines. Okay, give it a little tightening. Jump cover back on. Oh. Can't tell. I'm getting full choke or not. I think I'm getting full choke. Full open, full choke. I think that'll be good. So full choke. Get some fuel up here. I guess hook the fuel lines up. So the primer can do what it's supposed to do. There we go. We got fuel in there. We're choked. Tighten the fuel cap back up. Success. Needs a little tuning. It's a little slow on the rev up, but it revs up. A little tuning and that will be good. But I don't got a tool. You need a special tool to do the tuning, and I don't have that currently, so it's good as it is. Works better than it has in years, so it's a success.